Learn with fun. Insects. Butterfly. B U T T E R F L Y. Butterfly. Butterfly does have colorful wings. We can easily see the butterfly nearby the flowers. Ladybug. 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 Ladybugs are small, plentiful, and insect-eating bugs. Luckily, these often colorful insects are not poisonous to humans, only harmful to pets if they eat the ladybug. Housefly. 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 Houseflies do not bite, but they are capable of transferring more than 100 different diseases. We can easily see the housefly inside and outside our home. Honeybee. HONEBEE. Honeybee. Honeybees collect a sugary juice by visiting flowers and start making honey, which is their food. Cricket. 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 Cricket are small to medium sized insects with mostly cylindrical. Most male cricket make a loud chirping sound. Grasshopper. 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 Grasshopper are plant eaters with a few species at times becoming serious pests of cereals. They are capable to destroy crops over wide areas. Mosquito. 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 Mosquitoes use their mouth parts to puncture your skin and feed on your blood. We should always be careful because different mosquitoes carry different diseases. Centipede. 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 Centipedes feed on home invading species like cockroaches and spiders. Cockroach. 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 Cockroaches are insects. They have 6 long legs, 2 long antennae, and 2 pair of wings. Caterpillar. 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 Caterpillar is the larval stage of the butterfly. They do not have any wings. They have simple antennae. Spider. 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 Spiders are air-breathing insects that have 8 legs. We can see the spider to making their babes. Dung beetle. DUNGBEETLE. Dung beetle. Most dung beetles search for dung using their sensitive sense of smell. Moth. M-O-T-H. Moth. Moths are a paraphyletic group of insects that includes all members of the order Lepidoptera that are not butterfly. Wasp. W-A-S-P. Wasp. Wasp are a small black and yellow flying insect that can sting. Scorpion. S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N. Scorpion. They mainly live in deserts but have adapted to a wide range of environmental conditions. Tick. T-I-C-K. Tick. Tick have 4 stages to their life cycle, namely egg, larva, nymph, and adult. Ticks act as vector of many serious diseases that affect humans and other animals. Termite. T-E-R-M-I-T-E. Termite. Termites can cause serious damage to building, crops, or plantation forest. Some species such as the West Indian drywood termite. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Snails can be found in a very wide range of environments, including ditches, deserts, and depth of the sea. Dragonfly. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y. Dragonfly. Dragonfly are usually found around lakes, ponds, streams, and wetlands. They are predators which eat mosquito and other small insects such as ants, flies, bees, and butterflies. Stag beetle. S-T-A-G-B-E-E-T-L-E. Stag beetle. They are black to dark brown and have large mandibles. A bite from the stag beetle can be painful. Bumblebee. B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. Bumblebee. Bumblebee have more hairs on their body and are colored with yellow, orange, and black. Firefly. F-I-R-E-F-L-Y. Firefly. Firefly produce a chemical reaction inside their bodies that allows them to light up. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Ant is a really strong worker. It can lift up to 5,000 times their own body weight. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.